Hello and thank you for joining me for today's snapshot. Today we're going to be looking at the S&P 500. It has moved out of a weak area ahead of the Q3 earnings, which are due to start this week. And we'll explore that in a little bit more detail. But before we do that, please take note of the following important information. Please note that CFDs are high-risk products and that you should be completely aware of the risks that they pose. Also, please note that this is a general market commentary and does not constitute investment advice. And finally, these are our sources of information. Okay, thank you very much for that. Now, just bringing up the daily chart of the S&P 500, just want to point out that we have moved from the weak area, which is the lower blue, lower red band. So we've moved out of this weak area, and we are now in the neutral area, which is the upper blue, lower blue. And if you take a look at today's candle, we are getting some support in. It's what we call a hammer. It's before the cash open, but effectively bears did try and take price down. That's now been rejected, and the bulls seem to be in control just ahead of the cash open. We want to just keep an eye on the stochastic. We want to see if it makes its way towards the 80 area and holds. That would suggest a bullish momentum. However, the RSI also needs to reflect positively, which it's not doing at the moment, and we want to see it get above 50. So the Q3 earnings start off for the banks, and that's from Wednesday, and we'll see if the Q3 earnings do offer some sort of support after quite a heavy sell down for the stock markets. Let's just end off with some key takeaways. Okay, so Q3 earnings kick off with the banks this week from Wednesday. The S&P 500 has moved positively from a bearish area. Now we're looking to see if a higher trough forms and lays a platform for another impulse move upwards. Thank you very much for joining. I hope you found this interesting. If you did, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button, and look forward to speaking with you again in the near future.